So what's up guys, so back with another video. So today we're gonna talk about this 3D graphics editing free software. Paint or Paint 3D, so you can get this software in here. So if you click this, so it will bring you for the welcome screen. So it will ask you to create a new one or open your project, same Photoshop or same Premiere. So you can open, if you have a consist folder, you can open from this. So in here, paste feature, as you can see, is new tube brush, and you can draw images like in Adobe Illustrator, and latest 3D collections. Actually you can use this one also for browse more 3D collections. So today I'm going to start with this new feature. So this one will bring you to this page. Actually this is a canvas actually. So if you go to this canvas, I'll click this one to take the names. If you're a basic or if you are a new comer for this Paint 3D, you can have to be on this feature because you can understand this one quickly if you on in here this feature. So the canvas, you can off this canvas or you can on this canvas. This is the canvas. Actually you can resize this canvas or you can enlarge this one. Also for me, I just turn off this canvas, but there is transparent canvas and you can resize from a number, and you can lock the aspect ratio. I can resize the image with canvas, so you can give this pixels or percent. So in my case I'm trying to turn off this canvas because I don't need that. So you have in here the 3D library and effects, the text tabs, because you can add the text and stickers and 3D shapes and 2D shapes and brushes. So in brushes you have various brush tools, so you can use actually what you like. So next I will jump into the 2D shapes. So after jumping to the 2D shapes, you get some shapes in this side. So lines and curve. So if you can draw curves like these types, and you have 3D shape. There are actually shapes that have given you already, so you can draw these shapes like this way. So I'll show you how you can draw these ones. So it's very simple to draw, and you can see in which color you need to fill. You can choose a color, so I will give red, so you can see how it works. So I think I don't want to teach you these things, so maybe you already know this. So after that I will jump into the next magic actually. So this is 3D shape. So there are already 3D shapes given to you because like 2D shapes. So in here you have 3D shapes like this way. So I'll delete this one, and I'll delete this one also, and I'll delete this. So I'm gonna go off this canvas to get a really 3D view, and I will click on this 3D view, and here is the zoom out in mark, so you can zoom in, zoom out. So you can go to the 3D shape tab. So after you go to 3D shape tab, you can get some objects and you can draw like this. To move, you need to press the right click of the mouse and you can move here and there. You can see you can move this one here and there. And next you can enlarge this one, and you can see you can send back and forward this one, so you can rotate this image. You can see in here you can rotate this one, and you can have this. The best one is 3D models. So you have the character, so you can draw some characters and actually get the girl character also. So this is the man character and this is the girl character. You can change these colors of this man character and the girl character. I'll give this pink color to girl character, and I'll give this actually like matte gray color to the male character. So I'll move this male character to, I'll keep him on this desk. So I will click on this one and I will select this female character, and I'll move this one to the desk. I'll resize this one some for a bit. Okay, so here is my you can see now male character is actually on the desk, but female character is not in the desk. So you can adjust them by clicking on it, so you can clip her also in this one. So now you can see it is actually great 3D art or 3D graphic you designed. So like this you can design various things, and I'm going to show you the cool feature, that is the open 3D library. So if you click on this, if you're connected to the internet, and if you click on this, so this will load quickly and give you something. So something is what you can get 3D collections, that means 3D arts or 3D graphics already drawn. So you can click on the latest 3D collections, and you can see animals section, a space section, a realistic, and dinosaurs. I'll click on the dinosaurs. I can see some kind of lot of dinosaurs you can see in here. So I click on this. I cannot read the name. So I click on this one. So you can see loading. So I don't know, it will take some time to load. Alright. Now you can resize this image, and you can take this image to here and there, and you can rotate this image and upside down, and you can rotate this one like this, and you can completely set this 3D graphic in the studio. So I'll take my mouse and move. Actually it looks nice. So next I will go to the 3D library. I can search also 3D library something if you like. So you can see you can design a classroom. Actually you can celebrations, birds, Microsoft products, cool cars. I'll select this one because I love cars. Now there are a lot of cars actually you can see in here. Oh, this looks very unique. And shift tune orange, this one also looks very nice. So we will go to this one and test how this 3D works. Alright, it loaded. So actually okay, you can move this one. Okay, it is sometimes stucking because it's actually it's work with the internet maybe. So alright. So I'm going to okay, this looks very nice actually. So I'm going to select this one and I'll take it to the bottom. Okay, now it is actually in the bottom of the floor. I think this is the floor because I off the canvas, so I cannot see the floor. So I click this dinosaur image. I'll take this one to the floor and I'll drag this near this vehicle. Okay, so I will take this male character into this vehicle, and I'll okay, I can actually okay, I can rotate him. So I'll rotate him to this side, and I'll take the girl character and keep on the vehicle, and I'll move her also to this side to see like the dinosaurs. So the next I'll click this one. I will delete this one because I don't need that. So in this one, so you can see how realistic this 3D graphic art. So if you go to 3D library, and I need again a dinosaurus character, dinosaurus. Okay, this time we will take something dangerous. Oh, there is the flying dinosaurs also. Oh, this is the large one, and there is a mammoth also. Oh, mammoth. In the dinosaur side there is a mammoth also. Oh, this is also dinosaurs. Okay, I'm gonna find something. Okay, let me pick this flying one. So I want to remember you, if you haven't subscribed us yet, you have to subscribe now really quick, because it will help us a lot. Okay, this is a flying bird, so I will take this flying bird to sky. Actually, I there is no sky, but I'm saying to up sky, and this one is the floor. So I'm gonna enlarge this one for a bit, and just I'm gonna rotate this one to the side of the vehicle. So guys, actually this looks very pretty and very nice. I think like that, because I don't know what you think, but you can make something for you also, so it's very nice actually. So you can design your own 3D graphic art free, because there are 3D Max and everything. This is not free, you have to activate a crack to get that software, so use that software. So this is actually from a Microsoft product. This is free for Windows 10, and this is actually, I think this one is the best software ever. You can design the graphic actually in really small time, so it will save your time, and it will save you everything. It will save you money also. This is also important thing, because every guy is thinking about saving money, so this is the best option. You can save money and save time. So guys, please like the video. If this was helpful, subscribe and comment also. So make sure to share this video for your friends also. So goodbye, let's meet in the next video.